Hi guys, in this video we are about to learn how to create a simple bullet model in Blender 3D. First of all, add a reference image, then go to add a cylinder, and then scale it on Z direction. Go to edit mode, select the face selection, select the down face, and then extrude it and scale it with S, and repeat the process accordingly. Then select the upper face and repeat the same process. Now select this area, press P button, and then this area, press P, and also separate the selection. Go back to solid view, select this area, and then add the subdivision surface modifier. After the adding of subdivision surface modifier, go to material preview, select this area, add a new material, and choose this color. Increase the metallic properties. Now select this area, add a new material, select this color. Then select this area and add this material. And here is our simple bullet model in Blender 3D. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and tell us your reaction in the comment section. Thank you.